Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to see rapid sand filter of the subject of environmental engineering 1. In previous lecture we have seen mechanism of slow sand filtration. So in this particular lecture we are focusing on the rapid sand filter and comparison between slow sand and rapid sand filtration. What is rapid sand filter? This is the diagrammatic representation of rapid sand filter. So as you can see, this is the inlet. So raw water is coming from this inlet and pass through this chamber. Then there is a filter media in form of gravels and sand. Then water is percolate or trickle through this filter media and treated water comes to this under drainage system. Again, the difference between slow sand and rapid sand filter is rapid sand filter is compacted design, that is land required for construction of this rapid sand filter is very less because of its high filtration rate, and because of that we are providing backwashing system for the cleaning of rapid sand filter. As we have seen in slow sand filter, the cleaning takes place by manually, so there are requirement of huge labor force. But in the rapid sand filter the cleaning is automatically done, so that the provision takes place of backwashing process. So that process that we will see in coming slides. Construction of rapid sand filter. Similar to slow sand filter, there is an enclosure tank, filter media, base media or material, and under drainage system. So let's we see one by one its component. First is enclosure tank. Smaller in size, therefore can be placed under roof. So for slow sand filter, the size of rectangular basin is large, but in rapid sand filter there is a smaller size, therefore can be placed under roof. Rectangular in shape and constructed of concrete or masonry. The depth should be 2.5 to 3.5 meter and surface area should be only 20 to 50 meter square, which is many times smaller than which is required for the slow sand filter construction. Length to width ratio is taken as 1.25 to 1.35 and design filtration rate is high, that is up to 3000 to 6000 liter per meter square per hour. So these design parameters that are required to calculate or design the rapid sand filter. The design problems based on slow sand and rapid sand filter that we are see in next lecture. Second component is filter media. Should be free from dirt, organic matter and other suspended solids. It should be hard and resistant. The depth of sand media is 0.6 to 0.9 meter. Effective size of sand particles are 0.35 to 0.6 mm. Uniformity coefficient is less as compared to slow sand filter, that is 1.2 to 1.7. Then the estimation of sand depth. The depth of sand bed should be such that flow should not break through the sand bed. So depth varies from 60 to 90 centimeter. The minimum depth required is given by Hudson formula, which is equal to Q into D cube into H divided by 1 equal to Bi into 29323, where Q is the filtration rate in meter cube per meter square per hour. Assume the filtration rate into the factor of safety, that is 2. Factor of safety 2 is taken to cater emergency situation. D is the sand size in mm and H is the terminal head loss in meter, and I is the depth of sand bed in meter. So by putting all this value into this formula and calculating the value of sand depth, and Bi is the breakthrough index which I have taken from the graph. So next is base material. Gravels are generally put in form of base material. Depth of gravel should be taken as 45 to 60 centimeter. So as you can see in this table, similar to slow sand filtration, the first two are the layer of sand, and the size of sand particles are at topmost layer very fine sand particles are placed, that is 3 to 6 mm size. The second layer is of intermediate layer of sand, the size of that particles are 6 to 12 mm. Third and fourth layer is of gravels. The second last layer is of size of gravels are 12 to 20 mm. And last, that is bottommost layer of gravel, the size of that gravels are 20 to 50 mm. Then the estimation of gravel size gradation. To start with, the size gradation of 2 mm at top and 50 mm at bottom is assumed. The required depth in centimeter of a component of gravel layer of size dmm can be computed by following equation. That is I equal to 2.54 into k into log d. In that, k can be taken as 12, d, that is gravel size in mm, So by putting these values into this formula, and we will get the gravel size of gravel. The next component is under drainage system. The objectives of construction of under drainage systems are to collect treated water uniformly over the area of gravel bed. It provides uniform distribution of backwash water without interrupting or upsetting gravel layer and filter media. So, in rapid sand filter, the objectives of drainage system is constructed for dual purpose, that is for the treated water and pass through the reservoir, and second important purpose or objective is it is used for the backwashing process. The next component is under drainage system. So this is the diagrammatical representation of under drainage system of rapid sand filter. So as you can see, this is the central drain and slope is maintained towards the central drain, and this is the section, that is this is main hole and this is lateral drain. So it is the combination of main drain and lateral drain, similar to the slow sand filter. The other apparatuses used in rapid sand filters for the wash water trough, air compressor and rate control devices. So these are the other apparatus uses in rapid sand filtration. Next important is working and backwashing of rapid sand filter. As you can see in this diagram, first diagram is the operation during the filtration, that water is percolate through this filter media and treated water comes or pass through this outlet pipe. This is the backflush supply, or this is the valve which are using when water is used for the backwashing. Second diagram shows that the operation during cleaning, that is backwashing. During that, we are open the valve of backwashing and enter or allow the water to pass through this back supply pipe, and the direction of flow of water is from bottom to top, so that the impurities trapped in voids are clean, and that way the filter media get clean. So working is, all valves are kept. Working of rapid sand filtration is, first is all valves are kept closed except valve A and B. That is, okay, the diagram is see later. So just first you try to understand. First of all the valves are closed. Then valve A is open to permit water from clarifier. That is, this valve is kept or placed at the inlet pipe. Then valve B is open to carry filtered water to clear water sump. That valve is placed at the outlet pipe. So when this valve, once the filtration takes place, then the treated or clean water can be passed through this outlet pipe when we are opening the valve B, which is placed at outlet pipe. Then head of 2 meter over the sand bed is maintained. Design filtration rate is approximately 3000 to 6000 liter per meter square per hour. Then filter run depends on quality of feed water. Filter run may range between less than a day to several days. Objective of backwash is to remove accumulated particles on the surface and within the filter media. Backwash is performed using wash water and air scoring. What is backwashing? Filter is backwashed when head loss through it has reached the maximum permissible limit. The rapid sand filters are washed by sending air and water upward through the bed by reverse flow through the collector system. So 2% to 4% filtered water is used for backwashing. So water required of backwashing is extra addition of water requirement is design of rapid sand filter. Then steps involved in backwashing. So first is close the influent valve A. Then close the effluent valve B. So valve A and B are closed when the backwashing is carried out. Then open air valve F, that is valve of backwashing, so that air blows at rate of 1 to 1.5 meter cube free air per meter square of bed area of 2 to 3 minutes. This will be break up the scum and loosen the dirt which are trapped into the voids present in filter media. Then close the air valve and open the wash water valve E gradually to prevent the dislodgement of the finer gravels. Then open the wastewater valve D to carry the wash water to drain. Continue backwashing till wash water appears fairly clear. Close the wash water valve E, close the wash water valve D and wait for some time till all matter is in bed are settled down. Then open valve A slightly, open valve C for carrying the filtered water to drain for a few minutes. And close the valve C and open valve B. Open valve A completely to resume normal operation of filtration. So this is the on-field process of backwashing. Thank you.